Need a fully assembled PCB? In this video, we'll show you how to place your first PCBA order on JLCPCB. From uploading your files to applying coupons and submitting your order. Before placing your order, don't forget to claim your coupons. New users can receive exclusive coupon packages, and promotional coupons may also be available during special events. Simply log into your JLCPCB account, visit the coupons page, and claim any available offers before checkout. Before you begin, prepare 3 files: your Gerber, BOM, and CPL. Click Quote Now and upload your Gerber file to create a PCBA order. After your PCB is uploaded, configure your PCB and assembly requirements. Advanced options let you customize your order with additional manufacturing and assembly services to better match your project needs. Next, upload your BOM and CPL files. JLCPCB will identify your components and assembly data automatically. Review the matching results, then resolve any missing or unmatched components before continuing. Once everything looks correct, review your assembly options and order details. Then click Save to Cart. Go to your shopping cart to review all items. If everything looks good, click Secure Checkout. Fill in your shipping address and payment information. Don't forget to select an available coupon before payment. The discount will be applied instantly. Once payment is completed, your order will enter processing automatically. You can track your order anytime in Order History, where each production stage, from order review to PCB fabrication, SMT assembly, quality inspection, and shipping, is updated in real time. That's it. Visit JLCPCB.com to start your first PCBA order, and we'll see you in the next Product Academy.